Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we discuss the debate over legalizing betting on WWE matches in the USA. The WWE has been pushing for the legalization of betting on their matches, but regulators have been hesitant to allow it. In this video, we will explore the reasons why the WWE wants to legalize betting, the concerns of regulators, and the potential impact of such a move on the wrestling industry and sports betting landscape in the USA. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel in order to not miss future videos. Also see the description box below for ideas on how to make money online. The WWE has been lobbying regulators to legalize betting on their matches too. This is not surprising considering the growth of the sports betting industry in the USA. According to Morningstar, Americans plan to wager roughly $15.5 billion on the March Madness tournament in 2023. Legalizing betting on WWE matches could be a lucrative revenue stream for the company. However, regulators have been hesitant to allow it, citing concerns about the integrity of the matches and the potential for match fixing. One of the concerns of regulators is that WWE matches are scripted, and therefore, the outcome is predetermined. This opens up the possibility of insider information being shared with bettors, which could lead to match fixing. The WWE has responded to this concern by stating that their matches are scripted entertainment, but the wrestlers still compete athletically and put their bodies on the line. The outcome of the matches is not predetermined, and anything can happen in the ring. Another concern is the potential impact of betting on the integrity of the matches. Betting could encourage wrestlers to take risks and perform dangerous stunts to win bets, potentially leading to serious injuries. The WWE has countered this argument by saying that they already have strict safety measures in place to protect their wrestlers and ensure the integrity of the matches. Legalizing betting on WWE matches could also have a significant impact on the wrestling industry and the sports betting landscape in the USA. The WWE is one of the biggest wrestling promotions in the world, and allowing betting on their matches could attract a new audience to the industry. However, it could also lead to more gambling addiction and negative social consequences. Therefore, regulators need to carefully consider the potential impact of such a move before making a decision. That concludes our video on the debate over legalizing betting on WWE matches in the USA. While the WWE sees this move as a way to increase revenue, regulators are concerned about the potential impact on the integrity of the matches and the industry as a whole. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the issue. Thank you for watching.